Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm making Ghanaian famous Abelewalls, very creamy and very delicious ice cream you can ever think of making it. One more thing, this ice cream, when you sell it, trust me, you are going to be a millionaire because you will get a lot of profit out of it. A lot of Ghanaian women sells this, and trust me, they are making a lot of money out of it. So if you want to make this your business, go ahead, you are good to go. So let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe we are going to need some all-purpose flour. Yes, all-purpose flour is used to make Abelewalls. We have so many ways in killing a cat, and this is how I'm killing mine. You can also use evaporated milk. Use any brand at all of your choice. I'm also using condensed milk. This is peak condensed milk, and I'm also going to use sugar, but trust me, I didn't use sugar in this recipe. You can omit it if you don't want too much sugar in your ice cream. I'll also need some nutmeg, and this is TOOGBEI or chewing stick. I'm also going to need my vanilla essence. You can use pineapple, any flavor at all, feel free to use it. I'm also going to need my butter. This is salted butter, and of course I'm going to need my food colors and my ice cream containers. You can use any ice cream containers that you have. I'm showing you all this because of my lovely viewers who want to make this as their business. Especially with this one, you might think, how can you make this ice cream in these small cubes? Yes, the kids are going to be attracted if you use these small containers, and trust me, they are going to love it. So let's get started with the cooking of the flour. So in my cooking pot, I've added in some water. So that I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour, and I have not turned off the flame because I don't want to create any lumps in this flour. So mix until all the flour has dissolved very well. After that, you can turn on the flame for it to start cooking. Alright, so after stirring everything together, I'm going to go ahead and add in my salted butter to give this ice cream extra flavor. Okay, I'm using about 1 tablespoon of salted butter, and I'm also going to use my nutmeg. This is going to add extra flavors, and it's going to taste so good. Trust me on this one. Now stir everything together until the porridge thickens up beautifully. Now let me tell you one thing about this Abelewalls. Anytime I'm preparing Abelewalls, it brings back memories because growing up as a kid, we used to take our mother's money to buy Abelewalls or this ice cream without them knowing anything about it. This tells you how delicious this ice cream is. And I know for sure that I wasn't in this thing alone. So if you used to do that, just give me high five in the comment section. Okay, so that's just by the way. So when you see bubbles in your porridge like this, that indicates that the porridge is all ready now. So we're going to add in our sweetness, and yes, this is going to be a game changer. I'll add in my evaporated milk, my condensed milk as well, and trust me, when I tasted it, the sugar was okay for me. But if it's not okay, you can go ahead and add in sugar if you want. Okay, so I'm adding in more condensed milk because who doesn't love sweet things? Yes, I love sweet things, and this Abelewalls is just perfect for me. Okay, so stir everything together, and as you can see, it has really come up a little bit because I added in more water because it was so sweet. So I'll add in more to my preference. Okay, this is looking so creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my vanilla essence. You can use any flavor at all, but typically Abelewalls is just vanilla essence, but you can use any flavor at all. And as you can see, I added in more condensed milk. This girl loves sweet things. Allow me to enjoy myself because this is bringing back memories. Now stir everything together And there you have your Abelewalls nicely done. At this point, I have turned off the flame so it's not cooking again. And this is the thickness that I will be going for. Not too heavy and not too light, okay, and very smooth as well. So make sure to stir your flour consistently to avoid any lumps, because we really want to enjoy this Abelewalls very well. So I'm going to put everything into my disposable cups and freeze this for about 24 hours or 8 hours, depending on how your refrigerator works. After that, I'll go ahead and add in my chewing sticks or my TOOGBEI, and trust me, tell me why you don't want to make this Abelewalls your business. You are going to love it, trust me. And I also did some in different colors, which is going to attract your customers very well, especially the kids. You know, kids are really attracted to colors, and trust me, as a kid I thought the colors was more delicious than the white ones. I didn't know it was just colors. And so anytime I wanted to buy Abelewalls, I wanted the colored ones because that was really attracted to me. So trust me, your customers are going to fall in love with it. So kindly give it a try and thank me later. And so let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new babies right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos. Fam, I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And so after 8 hours of freezing it, this is how it looks like. It came out so good. So next I'm going to place this in my water for easy removal. You can allow it to rest without putting it in water. Okay, so now let's remove this ice cream to see how it looks like. And look at that, look how beautiful and creamy it came out. Guys, just drop your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this Abelewalls recipe. So delicious, and kindly give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you watch this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.